You're getting it here first. We're sharing this right here. Battle Chasers.
Oh, you're gonna tell them?
They rebooted Battle Chasers. They're gonna kick back off with issue 10.
Can I tell them?
You can tell them the artist lineup.
No,
We're gonna tell you the
11.
artist.
No,
it's issue 10.
I was so excited that I was
10.
It left off on 10. It's 11.
I'm gonna check while she tells you the
Anyways,
artist.
we got the rights to do the Red Monica homage. So we will be carrying the Battle Chasers Red Monica homage done by Ariel Diaz. But wait, there's more. We have another one by David Nakayama. So both of those will be coming out here, and they are...
My notes say issue 10 and issue 11's in July.
Dang it. We can edit this part out, right?
Oh, yeah. Are any other exclusives you can't?
Let me look.
We have one by Coco Aspen, if you guys are familiar with that team. They do phenomenal, beautiful women. And I'll give you a hint. It is an homage to a Jenny Frison Vampirella cover where she might be upside down.
It's hot.
It's ridiculous.
So good.
Oh my god, that sounds freaking fantastic. You heard it here first.
Battle Chasers. Battle Chasers.
We're gonna get some art. Let's take a look at some art.
Oh my gosh, and
Oh my god.
nobody has seen this.
This is from our messaging, so.
Nobody's seen this.
Is that Jenny's art?
No, this is Coco Aspen.
Coco Aspen.
It's a team. Her and Sonia.
Sonia Montes.
Sonia Montes, that's right. They work together, and nobody has seen that.
I just got the finalized art. Nobody's seen it. It's in my messages.
Mr. and Mrs. Bird City, thank you very much.
You got it.
you.
Appreciate you.